Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing the issues where the photo widget on your iPhone displays no photo available, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to fix it. Let's get started. First, open the settings app, then click on your name on the top, then simply click on the iCloud. After you click on the iCloud, click on the photos. Then in photos, try to sync this iPhone and then simply go back to settings again. Then scroll down till you find photo app. After you find photos, tap on it. Then scroll down and enable the shared album option if it is not enabled. If the shared hidden album is also disabled, then enable it and then simply scroll down and enable the show featured content. And by following this step, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the issues with the photo widget displaying the no photos available or no content available on your iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.